Hello. So this is a MATLAB based project in which we try to control the traffic signals at a junction. So if you take a look here, this is a junction that we have considered, and then each a junction has four lanes, and then each lane has two independent lanes in which we consider a free left for each lane. And the convention that we have used is that a yellow light indicates that the cars from that lane can go towards its right, and a green light indicates that the cars can go straight. So we have four independent traffic controllers at the junction, which are being controlled based on the density of number of cars coming towards the junction. So coming to the MATLAB part, we have taken the number of cars coming towards the junction as input, and we have added up a few of them. Like we have added up the cars coming from bottom and the cars coming from left, forming a pair. So we have four different pairs. We can see that the bottom left forms a pair, left top forms a pair, top right forms a pair, and then right bottom forms a pair. So we'll check basically which of these four pairs has the highest density and then give lights accordingly. So we have taken input of these four addition blocks towards the signal controller state flow graph. And then inside the state flow graph, we have four parallel tasks, and each of these tasks independently depict the state of the traffic, I mean the traffic controller, the signal controller. So if you take the bottom left pair, inside the bottom left pair, each traffic controller starts with a red light. So after a minimum red delay, we wait for input and check whether the bottom left pair is highest among all the other pairs. And if it is highest, we grant a yellow light for bottom lane, and then we make a yellow requested for bottom true. At the same time, if coming to the controller of left top, if after red delay, it checks whether the yellow requested for bottom is true, and then if it is true, we give green signal for the yellow controller. I mean, sorry, the left controller. So if we'll take a look at here, we get yellow to the bottom lane, and then simultaneously we get green to the right lane, so that the bottom cars can go towards its right, and the left cars can go straight towards the right side without any collisions. At this time, we will be giving red to bottom, I'm sorry, to top, and then right lanes. So this is how the state flow logic works. And coming to the simulation, so yeah, here if you see what we have considered, so the accord in all the pairs, the right and the top pairs are the high form the highest sum. So we give yellow light for top and then green light for right, and we maintain red for the other two. So we give yellow for top and then green for right. So yellow can go towards its right, and then right can go towards its left without any collisions, and we maintain red at left and bottom. So after a minimum red delay, what we check is that if the density continues to be same, then we give red to the horizontal lane and give green to the vertical lane, so that traffic flows in vertical direction without any collisions. And after some time, we give red to the vertical lanes and give green to horizontal lanes, so that the traffic can go in horizontal direction without any collisions. So this is the MATLAB project that we have worked. Thank you.